Billy Joe, have you learned a new trick? Jojo. Billy Joe. Get over here. Billy Joe. That's not a good trick. It's taken me years to train Woody not to go up there, and now you're going up there. Yeah, I hear you purring up there. Bobcat hasn't learned that trick yet. Jojo. Kitty kitty. I give up. Franklin. Butters. Franklin, what are you doing, buddy? Did you have a good night? Did you hunt any mice? Groundhogs? Skunk? Did you ever catch a skunk? This Scooter? Huh. Uh-oh. Tri-cat. Oh, don't do it, Billy Joe. Oh, don't do it, Billy Joe. Billy Joe. Good girl, thank you. Your first jump. Oh boy, Billy Joe. What are we going to do with you? Well, Bobcat, you feeling left out? Bobcat. Bobcat Bill Cat. Bobcat. Hi, Missy. You better check in on everybody else, Franklin. Hi, Grape. You feeling grapey today? You are, aren't you? Where's Scooter? I saw that, Scoot. That wasn't nice. Was it, Grape? Yeah. See, that wasn't nice. Oh, pretty girl. Scoot. Get up here, Scoot. I think we'll throw this chair away today. What do you think? Should we throw it away? Scoot. Scoot. We'll throw the chair and anything on it into the garbage today. I give up. Farm cats. Farm cats. What? You guys are like attached at the hip. Except when I say that. Sounds like, uh-oh, I know why you wanted to go up there. Ceiling fan.